Oh, you got Reuben the Blaming Cowboy. Well, they got the roads closed up here in Wyoming again. And Flying J's all packed. And see everybody parked on the shoulders out here. Oh, there's a truck that jackknifed last night. And ouch. And they got the road closed up here ahead of us naturally. And all the truck stops are going to be full. A lot of people going east. Westbound's open. They got see all the trucks up here. Looks like we might be coming to a stop again up here. Everybody trying to get on and off and trying to find a spot to park. And you can see we're all coming down to a stop again up here. Coming to a stop. And that's the trouble. There's a lot of truck traffic out here. A lot of truck traffic out here. And not enough places to park. You can see everybody up there. Exit there. Getting off up there too there. But really there ain't much. You know, this kind of weather, this much traffic, there's not that many places out here. And yeah, you can see everybody over there. Up there in front of me up here. I don't know if they're getting off over here to 211 or where they're getting off at. But westbound road's open. Westbound road's open. And there ain't no other places to park up here though either. And yeah, this ain't gonna be working too good here either. Because nobody's moving. Nobody's moving. And we're blocking traffic the way we're parked here. And don't know where everybody's going to go here. Well, we'll probably try to get down the road a little further, I guess. See what's going to happen here. Road closed east 11 miles ahead. But yeah, if we look at all the trucks over here on the shoulders here trying to get off, park. There ain't much parking over there either. So everybody's just parked on the shoulders out here waiting for them to open the road back up again and get going. That's what everybody's doing over there. But no, not a lot of parking there on the shoulders anymore either. You can just see all the traffic out here. Sitting on the sides here waiting for them to open the road back up again. All kinds of different trucks, different loads. So we'll see what's going to happen up here a little further. So happy trails. Stay tuned for more. Be safe. Bye.